Alright, we're recording the sewer line here at 3040 Northeast 91st Street. Date is March 29th, 2021. Making this recording from the clean out here on the exterior wall of the home. I'm going to record coming back from the city main sewer. We're going to get a look at the line. We are in 6-inch diameter concrete looking at the city main sewer line right now. We're going to come back. Come back towards the property now. We're in 6-inch diameter concrete there. Right there, we are going from 4-inch diameter sewer to 6-inch diameter. I'm going to pause the video briefly. Locate the spot. Okay, I've zeroed out the footage at that spot so we can get an accurate idea of what the 4-inch diameter pipe length is. That large root intrusion in a couple of spots here. And we're back into plastic there, so got about 54 feet of 4-inch diameter concrete pipe before you get back into this plastic here that is incorporated into this clean out. I'm going to end the video there.